Welcome back to our channel, guys. This is our official Telegram channel, Techviewz. If you're not a join in our Telegram channel, just join in our Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. All the updates are given here in Telegram channel, so you can be updated in crypto, guys. So don't miss it. Just join the Telegram channel, guys. Okay, so guys, today we're gonna see as some topic. Okay, so by staking your BNP, you can earn up to 12% every day, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. Just follow the project so you can earn more. Okay, so finally, I'm not here a financial advice, so follow the project and do your own risk, guys. Okay, so the project name is Baked Beans, guys. Okay, so I'm giving the link in the description, guys. Okay, copy the link and open the trust wallet. Okay, and paste it on the DApps. Okay, paste it on the DApps. Okay, so just change your network to Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain and click on the connect. Click on your wallet connect, guys. Okay, so my wallet is connected here, guys. Okay, so this is official page of Baked Beans, guys. Okay, the Baked Beans is giving more than 8%. Okay, 8 to 12% per day, guys. So don't miss it. Every day you can withdraw, even small amount also you can withdraw and you can reinvest. Okay, so guys, this is the Baked Beans. Okay, so my wallet is connected here. The contract address is having 22,000 BNB, guys. Okay, 22,213 BNBs here, this contract address. Okay, so the wallet, my wallet balance is shown here, your beans. Okay, if I am giving 0.05, okay, so if I am giving some BNB, and if I am clicking the baked beans, my BNB will be get staked. Okay, my BNB will get staked, so I can earn rewards for every hour. Okay, I can earn rewards for every hour. So my rewards should be shown here. Your rewards equal to 0.0 BNB. Okay, so for me, if I am reinvest, okay, if I am reinvest for my profit for 5 to 10 days, then I can get more profit. Okay, so if you want to reinvest your profit, just click on the rebake option. Okay, just click on the rebake option. So just paying the smart contract call, you can rebake. Okay, and if you want to take the profit, you can click on eat beans. Okay, if you want to take the profit, you can click on 8 beans. Okay, 8 beans, eat beans means by clicking on continue by smart contract call, you can withdraw your BNB. Okay, so like that you can stake your BNB and you can earn much 8 to 10-12%, guys. Okay, because in the recent times this baked BNB is going greater in the market, guys. Okay, this baked BNB project is going great in this project, in this time, in this market based time. So probably this could be the best project because a lot of people are invested. This contract address having 22,000 BNB, guys. Okay, so recent times this project only having this much of contract. Okay, this much of capability of this one. Okay, so 22,000 BNB is available here, so don't miss it out. Okay, probably this project, I thought this project will run 1 or 2 months and they will rug. Okay, but this is running more than 4 months, guys. This is started in November and still this project is running. Probably this could be the best project in this current timing. Okay, because a lot of projects are rumbling and a lot of people are running away with their project and people money. Okay, so don't trust that kind of project. Okay, this kind of project will improve your profit. Okay, so 8 to 12% they are given. Okay, by just staking. Okay, if you want to stake here, just click your BNB here and click on bake beans, so your BNB will get staked. So if you want to rebake, every day you will be getting rewards, right? If you want to rebake, click on rebake, so you can rebake this one. Okay, and if you want to withdraw, just eat beans, click on 8 beans, so you can withdraw, guys. Okay, so like that you can do 5 to 10 days rebake and then you can withdraw, so your profit will be doubled. Okay, that's what the thing. Okay, so nutrition facts, daily return 8%, guys. Okay, so APR is 2020%, guys. Okay, so dues fee, so withdraw fees is 3%. Okay, withdraw fees is just 3%, so no problem. For $100 or $3 will be the fees for withdraw. Okay, probably this could be the best one. So another, your referral link will be here. So if you are referring and 12% of BNB. Okay, so if you are referring some person, you can get 12%, guys. So don't miss it. 12%, up to 12%, the referral reward. If some people is investing 1 BNB, okay, if some people is investing 1 BNB with your referral link, you will be getting 0.12 BNB. That could be the very best ever thing is happening here. So guys, don't miss it. You can refer your friends also, okay, you can bake your beans and you can refer your friends also, and you can earn in that also, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. Okay, so telegram, Twitter, and all the things it's available here. Okay, you can check it out, the baked beans. Okay, this is the Twitter page. So this is a Twitter page, guys. Okay, Twitter page of baked beans, so you can follow the things, okay, and check all the related documents, and you can invest in those. Okay guys, so don't miss it. This one is giving passive income right now. Okay, so check all the related documents and invest your money, guys. Okay, and you can earn your BNB. Okay guys, don't miss it out, and refer your friends also, so you can earn 12% for every referral, guys. Okay guys, I hope this video you will be liking, so do like and share, guys. Don't miss it out, and we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much.